Hello everybody, Marco here from Marco DeStefano Marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. So basically what we're doing here today is I'm going to be doing a series of videos and basically going to be showing you different ways to use Facebook to your advantage if you are a business owner. Mainly focusing on business manager, Facebook ads, retargeting, we'll create ads. I'll show you how to make like lookalike audiences and all that fun stuff. Basically trying to maximize Facebook um, for you and help you grow your business. So anyways, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting with the Facebook Pixel here today. So the Facebook Pixel is basically a little tiny pixel that you are putting on your website. And that little tiny pixel is super powerful because basically that is going to give you a ton of data from people visiting your website and allow you to actually remarket and retarget people that are visiting your website through Facebook ads. Okay, so that basically means that if somebody comes to your website, um, basically this pixel is going to like kick in, and what will happen is you could actually start targeting ads specifically to those people through Facebook. And when you are retargeting through Facebook and creating lookalike audiences through Facebook, because of that little Facebook pixel, ad spend can be much lower if you know what you're doing. And I will teach you to know what you are doing, basically. All right, so what you're seeing here right now is my ads manager page. Okay, so to get here, what I did was from my personal feed, I clicked on the little drop down that's there. I went into business manager. Okay, if you don't already have business manager set up, I can't actually set it up because I already have it set up, but you just click into business manager and you open up a new business manager account. And that's going to entail you basically selecting a Facebook page that you manage and kind of matching it with this Facebook business manager account that you're creating. Okay, and then you create an ad account from there. And then you enter your credit card details and all that fun stuff. Okay, once you do that, you get to this page here. Okay, so we're going to be focusing on my personal ad account, not my digital marketing agency's account. I will just stick with my personal ad account because this will be the account that I build out the campaigns and the ads and all that fun stuff that we'll be doing together. All right, so let's get started. So this is my ad account, my ads manager page for Marco DeStefano Marketing. If I click on the little, I like to call it a hamburger at the top left here, those three little lines kind of look like a hamburger, and I'm going to get super hungry. But anyways, if I click on that, we have ads manager, we have billing. If I click on all tools, we get a whole bunch of other stuff here. Okay, so if I click on pixels, that's what we're going to be focusing on here today. We'll head over to the pixels area. So the pixels area is basically going to be where I can install my pixel. So here I have one pixel already created, Marco DeStefano Marketing Pixel Demo. All right. If I click on details, it shows me the details, but we're not dealing with any of that right now. We just want to set up this pixel. All right. So for you guys that don't already have a pixel, you just have to click on add data source at the top right here, click on Facebook pixel. Again, I already have one set up and it's one per account, so I'm not able to create a new pixel. All right. So once you click on that, it'll ask you to name that pixel. In this case, I named it Marco DeStefano Marketing Pixel Demo, and then that's that. So now what we want to do is once we actually created the pixel, we actually want to set this pixel up. Okay, and this is going to be a pretty short video. There's not much, it's not complicated, and it shouldn't be complicated. And if it is complicated, shoot me a message or comment below, and I will help walk you through it because it shouldn't be more complicated than it actually is or is not, I guess, in this case. So what we're going to do here, it's giving me three options. So select a setup method. I could either use an integration or tag manager. We're not going to get into that. I could manually install the code myself, which sounds super complicated if I don't know code, because as soon as you hear code, I know a lot of people get scared by that. And then email instructions to developers. So obviously this is the easiest way. You just send it off to your developer and they'll do it. But what we're going to do is, because this is a video of how to actually install the code yourself, I'm going to click on manually install the code yourself. All right, so now we can see there are two steps here. We're going to be focusing on step number one. All right, so this guy here, right here, boom, step number one. Okay, and delete that. So we're going to be focusing on step number one, and basically just installing the code. We're not going to worry about events right now. That'll be another video, because that's where we could actually start tracking our conversions and all that stuff, and we could actually see how much it's costing for somebody to convert on my website. So either, you know, if you register for something, purchase something if you're dealing with e-commerce, or, you know, fill out a form or whatever it may be. But we could talk about that in another video. If you do have questions about that, again, just comment below or send me a message and we could talk about that more. But this video is dealing with the Facebook pixel. So what we want to do is actually locate the header code for my website. So Facebook's making it super easy for me. They're explaining how to do everything here. So find the head tags on my website. And if you don't know, if you're not sure to do that, you just click on this. It'll bring you to that web page. So it looks something like this. All right. So it looks like something like this. And then what we're going to do is actually copy this entire code so I could paste it in that area that it's telling me here. Okay. Right here. So what I'm going to do is, now I copied that code. It's copied to my clipboard. What I'm going to do is head over to my Rankify website here. And this is in WordPress. Okay. So if you have a WordPress site, then this is very simple to do, because you just follow how I do things here. But, you know, there's so many website builders that are out there. There's websitebuilder.com, there's Wix, there's Squarespace, there's Weebly. There's just so many website providers out there that if you do have one, and you're not sure where to actually install that, first of all, head over to Google and just type in install Facebook Pixel on Wix website, and there should be some sort of tutorial or something in their support that shows you how to do that. If not, you know, shoot me a comment below or shoot me a message, and I'll walk you through it, or send you a link or something like that, or even do it myself for you if I have some time to do it. But that's no problem, okay? Because again, it's super simple to do, and it shouldn't be more complicated than it is, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste that code right here, right into this area here, okay? So once I enter that code in the header of my website, what's going to happen is, once I click on save, Facebook's then going to ask me if I want to send test traffic. So don't worry about number 3 here, advanced matching. We're not going to deal with that right now. What I want to do is actually test that to make sure it works. So Facebook's going to ask me to enter in a URL, and it's going to send some traffic over there to confirm that it's there, because this pixel is already installed. Sorry, it's not on right now. Sorry. There's no recent activities for the last 13 days because I turned it off, because this is now my demo account. But anyways, it'll send test traffic. Another thing you could do is, if you click on continue, again, don't worry about steps 1 and 2 here, but number 3, verify using the Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay, so click on this link here, install Pixel Helper. It'll go to a Facebook page. I'll click on download now. And you must be using Google Chrome for this, but basically I could add the Facebook Pixel Helper to my Chrome as an extension. And what would happen is, it actually allows me to verify if that pixel has been installed. So here, let's head over to the Walmart site here. And, you know, we've all seen the Walmart ads. You go to Walmart for one thing, then you start seeing the ads with those exact same products and similar products coming up in your Facebook feed. So that's because they have the Facebook Pixel installed on their website. So here is the Chrome extension at the top right here, okay, that Facebook Pixel Helper. And now it's telling me that that pixel, or there is a live pixel on this page. Okay, to get that information, I just click on that. It shows me the Facebook pixel and the location of that pixel. Okay, so you do this for your own website. Okay, if I go to Rankify and I go to the Pixel Helper, we could see there's a live one here, and it's right here. Okay, all the information I need. Okay, so this is basically verifying that this pixel has been installed and it's installed correctly. And that's that. It's super, super simple. Now, having that Facebook pixel on your website is going to ensure that you get a ton more data if you're running Facebook ads. If you're running Facebook ads right now and you don't have the Facebook pixel installed in your website, that is a huge no-no, and you're wasting tons of money doing that. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through several other videos just like this one. We'll do some walkthroughs on creating ads, creating campaigns, creating custom audiences, and, you know, if there are certain topics that you want me to cover as well, is how to, you know, target to homeowners in a certain area that want to buy, you know, my t-shirts. We could do that, okay, if there's enough people that want to see these videos. All right. So any questions or comments or anything like that, just comment below. Any issues that you're having, comment below or send me a private message and I'll be happy to chat. Alrighty. So look for the next video. And again, I would love for you guys to just heart this one, like it, share it with your friends or whatnot, and just, let me know if there's anything you need. So we will talk to you soon. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.